What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video we will be showing you exactly how to make a mask with tissue paper and rubber band easily. Let's dive right into the video guys. What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I already said that, never mind. So in this video we will be showing you, like I said, exactly how to make a mask with tissue paper and rubber bands. So with rubber bands, what you're gonna do, I just made one before the video. So what you're gonna need for this project is you're gonna need 2 rubber bands, just like so. Just like so, I don't know why I say that. A tissue paper, all right, a stapler, and that'll be it. So let's dive right into it guys. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you are going to fold the tissue paper about 1 inch just like so, maybe a little bit more than 1 inch, just like that, and then keep folding it the opposite way every time. Does it make sense? So fold it that way, this way, that way. So this way, that way, okay. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in about 1 inch, maybe a little bit more than 1 inch, just like that. Now fold the other side in, like that, same way. Okay, once you've done that, what you're gonna do is grab 1 rubber band, put it in your fold, and staple that down. Staple it right here. Boom. Same thing with the other side. Grab your rubber band, put it in the fold, staple it down. Perfect, just like that. So now what you're gonna do is open up your mask slowly. Make sure you don't rip it because this is very easily ripped. And also, I'm gonna hopefully be coming out with a more sturdy version, so stay tuned for that. This reminds me of Aaron's inventions. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just open it up slowly. Just like so. Thumbnail. So that's the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's just a quick way to make a mask. Like I said, I'm hoping to come out with another one which is more sturdy, but this can work for now. Just a quick video on it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story. Also, there'll be an end card about to be shown right here. So around here. So be sure to click that and be sure to watch our newest video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.